Hello, I'm Carly. In this video, we'll explore together the management of EB80 analog input and output modules in POWERLINK. I'll guide you step by step through the process in a simple and clear way. Stay with me to discover everything you need to know about this topic. EB80 has modules with 4 analog inputs for temperature measurement, and modules with 4 analog outputs. All input and output words are already defined and described in the I/O mapping. The operating parameters are configured in the device-specific parameters section by setting the value in the init value field. System start. If set as external parameters, each time the system is switched on, it must be initialized by the master, which sends all the configuration parameters. If set as saved parameters, the parameters sent by the master are saved when the system is first switched on and used for all subsequent startups. Visualization of analog values allows you to select the logic for managing data and analog inputs between Intel used by POWERLINK or Motorola used in other systems. Analog input data format allows you to set the analog data format in 2 modes, either 15 bits plus sign or linear scaled. In this case, the measured analog value refers to the value set in the user full-scale field of each individual analog channel. Configuration of analog input parameters. Signal range allows you to select the type of input signal for each individual channel from those available. Filter measure value introduces a moving average filter of up to 64 samples of the measured value to make the reading more stable. User full scale allows you to set the full scale of the analog input signal. Configuration of analog output parameters. Signal range allows you to select the type of analog output signal for each individual channel. User full scale allows you to set the full scale of the analog output signal. Monitor lowest value verifies that the value received from the master is consistent with the value set in lowest value scale. Monitor highest value verifies that the value received from the master is consistent with the value set in highest value scale. Failsafe output allows you to define the status of the analog output in the event of interrupted communication with the master. Fault mode value defines the value of the analog output signal in the event of interrupted communication with the master. Configuration of analog input parameters for temperature reading. General parameters. Temperature scale allows you to select the temperature measurement unit in degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. Noise rejection allows you to suppress electrical noise generated by the power supply network. Specific parameters. Sensor adjustment allows you to select the type of sensor used from among those supported. Connection technology allows you to select the type of sensor connection, whether 2-wire, 3-wire, or 4-wire. Cold junction compensation allows you to select the use of an external cold junction instead of the one already mounted internally. Measure resolution allows you to set the measurement resolution in tenths or hundredths of a degree. Short circuit signaling and signaling. Disconnected sensor, if enabled, generate an alarm in case of a short circuit or sensor disconnection. Monitor lowest value. Enabling this function allows an alarm to be generated if the temperature is lower than the value set in lowest value. Monitor highest value. Enabling this function allows an alarm to be generated if the temperature is higher than the value set in highest value. Acquisition filter defines the type of digital filter for noise suppression. Great job! I hope this guide was helpful and clear for you. Thank you for watching this video with me.